Everyone, it's Teja here and welcome to another video for this Monday. In this video, I'll be teaching you a simple but awesome Windows 10 trick to prank your friends. So you just need Notepad for this trick, and in this trick, I'll be actually showing you a VBS script using which you can prank your friends. So let's get started. So first off, you got to move on to your friend's computer and then open Notepad in his computer. And in the Notepad, you got to type in x equal to msgbox and then message something like, let's say the system can't be accessed. So you gotta type in some message which you think will freak him out. So I'm just gonna so for example, I'm gonna type in the system can't be accessed as a message, and followed by a comma, and then I'm gonna say 0 plus 16 and then comma, and then the title, like let's say fatal error. So once you type in a sentence like this, you just go to the file and then click on save as, and save it as mycomputer.vbs, and also select all files from this drop down menu and then click on save. So let me open it now. So here is the file. Now let me double click on it, and here we go. This is the message box, and this is the message which we have specified there. So let's go back to this code, and let me type in another message box. X equal to message box a malware is trying to sniff your data. Do you want to stop it? And for this second message box, I want a yes and a no and a cancel button, and also I want a warning symbol for this second message box. So what I'll be doing here is, if I want an S or no or a cancel button, then I got to type in 3 in place of 0. And if I want a warning icon for the message box, then I got to type in 48 instead of 16 here. So I'll put all these numbers in the description below, so you can go check the description for all these numbers, and you can actually design the code the way you want your friend to be freaked out. So for the second message box, as I've told you, I want a yes and a no and a cancel button. So I'm going to type in 3 here, plus I want a warning icon, so I'm going to type in 48 and then a comma, and then I'm going to say the title as warning. Now let me save it and let me show you this. So here we go. This is the first message box, and if I click on OK, the second message box with a warning icon and a warning title and an S and a no and a cancel button appears on the screen. So let's go and give a third message box, like let's say X equal to message box the malware can't be stopped. And for here, I want a OK button and then a warning, error icon. So I'm going to type in 0 plus 16 here, and then I want a title to be unable to stop. Let me save this and let me open this. And here we go. This is the first message box, and this is the second message box. If I type in S, and a third message box comes up on the screen. So this is the first part of the VBS code. Now the second part is really interesting. I'm gonna show you the second part here. Anyway, I'm not going to explain each and every line of the code here. So this is the pre-created code. I have made this code ready for you because I don't have much time to type each and every line of this code in this video. So I've already typed this code in a notepad, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna paste all this code. So this is the first part of the code. So I'm gonna copy the code from here, and I'm gonna paste this to this file over here. So these two lines actually makes your computer speak. You can type in whatever the message you want your computer to speak over here. So for example, I want my computer to speak like this: attention, your computer is being hacked. So you can, however, edit this sentence to whatever you want, whatever you think your friend will be freaked out. So for example, I have made it as attention, your computer is being hacked. And then the next part of the code actually, it actually opens up your notepad, and then it types in automatically as if the computer is typing in automatically. So you can actually edit these words here to whatever you want. So okay, so the next part of the code is actually it works with the CD tray. It actually it automatically ejects the CD tray without the knowledge of your friend, and yes, it ejects the CD-ROM for every 5 seconds. So what it means is, even if your friend closes the CD tray once it is open, it again opens it after 5 seconds. So which is going to freak your friend for sure. And the next part of the code is actually another another code snippet which opens the notepad and types in the message. So that's all. So I'm gonna save this file as I'm gonna save this file, and okay, so here we go. This is the file. So there is one more thing you gotta do. You gotta make your friend believe that this is actually the My Computer icon. So you gotta right click on it, right click on this file, and then select send to, and then select desktop create shortcut. So here you have a shortcut for this file. So you can just hide this file, just go to properties, and then go check this hidden, and then apply, and then okay. So that file is hidden now. So now we have the shortcut of the My Computer file. So rename it to My Computer, just remove the shortcut from the end, and now you got to change the icon of this file to My Computer icon, so that your friend believes that it's the real My Computer file. So just right click on it and select properties, and over here you'll find an option which says change icon. So let's go and click on change icon, and here you have all the predefined icons for Windows 10. So you can just go, and here we go. This is the My Computer icon. So I'm gonna select this, and I'm gonna say apply, and then okay. So here we go. It looks like the actual My Computer icon. So let's say your friend is so let's say your friend wants to open the My Computer. So he obviously clicks on the My Computer file, this file. So once he double click on that, a message box comes up on your screen, his screen like this. And if you click on OK, it says malware is trying to sniff your data. Do you want to stop it? So if you click on S, it says the malware can't be stopped. And if you click on OK, then the computer speaks to him that
your computer is being hacked.
Then the computer speaks to him, and then look at what's happening. The computer is actually typing this sentence automatically on itself. And so here we go. The CD tray opened up, and even if I close it, so it says don't try to close it. So even if I close it, it opens up after 5 seconds. So this is a continuous process. This is a loop. So this obviously is going to freak your friend out, and he thinks that his computer is really hacked. So this is a simple trick to prank your friend. And if you want to end this process, if you want to end the automatic ejection of the CD tray, then you can go right click on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. And in the Task Manager, go to the Details tab. And in the Details tab, search for the process which says WS script. So here we go. This is the process. So you're going to right click on that and select End Process Tree, and then select End Process Tree, and that's going to end the process, and the computer will work normally. Also note that this script is completely harmless. It doesn't harm your friend's computer. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to comment below.